ingekho eParliament. Ngamtshela ngathi baba asiye eParliament. So ngimbonile benize kuyena, and I'm happy to say ngolwesibili next week all 58 of us are going to be sworn in and I will lead you. I regard my task, angikhuluma ngesizulu, ukuhlanganisa abantu abamnyama nanko umsebenzi eParliament. Omalema, no PAC, nobani baba beseqalile ukukhuluma nabo. Nami sengivela kulo mhlaba. Sunhlanza nomnyama nesike. Ake ngibuyele kulento engiyizele la ekhaya. Abakhulu abamele izaliki ngamalengiso. Zakhiyela lezaliki kakhulu. Abanga amalengiso. Athi amakhulu. Sizongena la kodwa sikhuluma ngalento ngeOrania. Hawu. Abelungu bafika namhlaba. And then sebebeka as a precondition yokuya etafuleni babe izilwana amaganusi. Ukuthi cha akukhulunywa akurecognize lento yakho. Umhlola. And what I find alarming, if I were the president of a ruling party, I would have gone there to go and canvass for the election. I would have done that symbolically. So, bakwethu, all of each other, we intermarried, right? We lived in harmony. AmaXhosa namaZulu ayeshadisana. That's why ukhona amabhaca in places like Mount Frere, Mount Elif, because AmaXhosa namaZulu ayeshadana. AmaZulu nabeSuthu nani. Yet today we are made to believe in the star. Now, as a result of the conquest and colonization, kwafika umlungu wazofaka eyakhe iculture, wazofaka illegal system yakhe. I call it illegal shit stealing. Wazoyifaka zashintsha izinto. The result is that umthetho osenkantolo, which we have mastered, by the way. Which we have mastered. Abelungu don't believe it. Umthetho lona which we have mastered. It was imposed upon us. It was forced down our throats. Alas, we have mastered it even better than that. Now we need one day to Africanize the law. Africanizing the law means different things to different people. I will tell you what I mean. Africanizing the law means the law must be, after all, law is about regulating human behavior. In simple English, it's about regulating human behavior, right? Now, what is needed when I say the law must be Africanized? The law must be a reflection of the aspirations, the beliefs, the value systems of the majority of the country. Umau being counted as one of those just clever blacks. Ngiyacasuka kabe mina kuthini ngoba thina esikhuluma ngomhlaba we get ridiculed. Khona omunye umuntu angizumbizi uyise wayeland we-government. He's called the political we-government. He's called the political commentator. Ngengamuzwa ngelilanga ethi labantu abakhuluma ngomhlaba, what are they going to do ngomhlaba? Because most black people live in urban areas today. Yes, usho lonto ukuthi kuyilento ku social media. Now, ma believe emhlabeni, siyeke thina. Siyeke siyazi lesifuna owethu umhlaba. Bayakhohlwa ukuthi ukuyohlala koSoweto nokuyohlala koWestville nako wonke nama-suburbs is the consequence of colonization and land dispossession. Sizotsa ukuthi uhlale eSoweto uhlale endaweni ethile. Umhlaba uyawunida awunayo nje inkukhu. Udlula mthuthi instead of ube nenkukhu yakho nje egcekeni. uchama egcekeni nje uma uyindoda mkhulu. Uchama egcekeni. Uzawutora, hayi uthi uyochama ugijima egcekeni. Ushaye laphandle umkhambi, kuphelele. Njalo thina madoda, ngiyabonga ama-Afrika kakhulu.